Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best child gates is probably one of the most essential safety investments any parent can make, providing crucial peace of mind by creating secure zones within your home, allowing your little explorers to roam safely while keeping them away from stairs, kitchens, or other hazardous areas, ensuring their well-being as they grow and discover their surroundings. Number 5. MYPET Paws Portable Pet Gate. Keep your beloved pet safe and secure in any indoor space. This expandable gate is designed to block off doorways and other areas, giving you peace of mind. It's made from durable, appealing fieldstone gray plastic with charming paw print accents. Standing 23 inches tall, it fits a variety of openings from 26 to 40 inches wide. This gate is incredibly easy to install and take down, making it perfect for use wherever you need it most. Just remember to measure your space carefully for the best fit. Designed with your home in mind, it features rubber bumpers that protect your walls from damage. These bumpers are also positioned higher than other gates, accommodating up to 4-inch molding. This makes it an ideal indoor solution for any modern living space. Its sturdy, curved handle provides a firm and comfortable grip. This thoughtful design makes mounting and disassembling the gate incredibly easy. You'll appreciate how simple it is to manage. This product is rigorously tested to ensure the highest safety and quality standards for your family and furry friends. We are a proud USA-owned company, and this item is proudly made right here in the USA. You can trust its durability and craftsmanship. What we like? This gate offers excellent portability and ease of use. Its pressure-mounted design means no tools are needed for installation, making it perfect for temporary setups. If you're looking for a versatile gate that can be easily moved between different doorways, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. No positive product reviews were provided in source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted as requested. Number 4. Safety First Easy Install Walk-Thru Baby Gate. Create secure zones for your little ones and furry friends. This gate helps keep them safe in designated areas, giving you peace of mind. Setting it up is a breeze, requiring no tools. Its pressure-mounted design offers quick and flexible placement throughout your home. The built-in Secure Tech indicator changes from red to green, clearly showing when it's securely locked. This visual confirmation ensures it's always properly latched. Adults can easily open it with just one hand, making passage convenient. However, its 2-action handle is designed to be challenging for small children to operate. Perfect for various spaces, it adjusts to fit doorways from 29 to 38 inches wide. Standing 28 inches tall, it comes with extensions for a customized fit. This gate is an ideal solution for keeping both children and pets safe. Its thoughtful design combines security, ease of use, and adaptability for any home. What we like? This product prioritizes both security and convenience for busy parents. The Secure Tech indicator provides visual confirmation that it's securely locked, giving you peace of mind. If you need a gate with a reliable safety check and easy one-hand access for adults, this is an ideal solution. What people say. Number 3. Regalo Safety Extra Wide Expandable Baby Gate. For 3 decades, this product has been a parent-trusted solution. It's certified by the Baby Safety Alliance, ensuring peace of mind for your family. Designed in the USA by parents, for parents, this brand is family-owned. They deliver dependable safety products, trusted by families for generations. This gate is perfect for various openings, fitting widths from 28 to 42 inches and standing 23 inches tall. It's ideal for doorways, hallways, and the bottom of stairs where flexible width is essential. Setting it up is straightforward with its pressure mount design. Just follow the instructions, and remember to use the included wall cups for a secure installation. It's designed for babies aged 6 to 24 months and also suitable for small to medium pets. This gate features a secure safety locking system for your convenience and their protection. What we like? This gate is designed for wider openings and offers a long-standing reputation for safety. Its extra-wide adjustability makes it suitable for various spaces, including the bottom of stairs. If you have wider doorways or hallways and value a brand with decades of trusted experience, this option is highly recommended. What people say. Number 2. Midwest Pet Safety Gate, wood and wire, 29 to 50 wide, 32 tall. This versatile gate easily expands to fit openings from 29 to 50 inches wide. Standing 32 inches tall, it's ideal for keeping your small to medium-sized pets safely contained. Featuring a patented comfort squeeze latch, it allows for simple adjustments and quick removal. This makes it perfect for both temporary and semi-permanent use in your home. Setting it up is a breeze with its tool-free installation. It comes with 4 pressure mount bumpers and a marked locking bar for a secure and precise fit every time. Its lightweight wood frame and non-slip bumpers protect your walls from damage. This design also ensures it stays firmly in place while being easy to relocate as needed. With its neutral wood finish, it seamlessly complements various home styles. Use it to safely contain your pets during training, cleaning, or when entertaining guests. What we like. This gate combines functionality with aesthetic appeal. Its wood frame and neutral finish allow it to seamlessly blend with most home decor styles. If you're looking for a pet gate that is both effective and visually pleasing, this one offers a great balance. What people say. No positive product features found in the provided reviews. The source reviews list was empty, so no points could be extracted. Number 1. BalanceFrom 29.1 to 43.3 Easy Walk-Thru Baby and Pet Safety Gate. Introducing the perfect solution for keeping your loved ones safe. This versatile gate provides a secure barrier for both babies and pets. Enjoy easy access with its convenient walk-through design. It features a hold-open function for busy moments and an auto-close mechanism for peace of mind. Designed to fit various spaces, it's an adjustable steel barrier. Installation is a breeze, requiring no drilling. This gate fits openings between 29.1 to 33.8 inches wide and stands 30 inches tall. It's ideal for stairs, doorways, and hallways. Crafted from all-steel construction, it offers exceptional durability. This gate is fully compliant with all USA safety standards, ensuring top-tier protection. What we like. This gate emphasizes durability and advanced convenience features. The all-steel construction ensures robustness, while the auto-close and hold-open functions add significant ease of use. If you prioritize a sturdy, long-lasting gate with smart features for hands-free operation, this is an excellent contender. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.